Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best ball joint separators that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Gearwrench Universal Ball Joint Separator. If you are thinking of having a ball joint separator that comes with wide compatibility, then you need to check out this tool. This has heavy-duty construction so that there will be enhanced longevity. It is ideal for separating the ball joints and ensures there will be a reliable operation. Moreover, this can easily fit different sizes of ball joints as it comes in an adjustable design. This has a maximum opening capacity of 56 mm, and you can reduce it up to 30 mm. Furthermore, it lets you use it with a socket of 15/16 of an inch. Additionally, it has a wide slot and serves as an ideal tool for automotive engineering. It also comes with better ergonomics that can easily fit in professional hands. Moving on at number 4, we have Orion MotorTech Ball Joint Separator. Here is a ball joint separator that makes sure there will be quick and effective separation. This is perfect for professional use and gives you the advantage to use it with light pickup trucks, compact cars, and mid-size cars. Moreover, it is available in a complete set and includes a pitman arm, conical pitman arm puller, tie rod end puller, ball joint remover, and ball joint separator. Furthermore, the product includes a heavy-duty ABS case that ensures there will be easy portability and organization. It also lets you have better convenience and comes with a spindle support arm. This is also adjustable and has a maximum opening capacity of 56 mm. Additionally, it is easy to use and is in a 5-in-1 design. At number 3, we have OEM Tools Steel Separator. This ball joint separator comes with wide compatibility, and it lets you have a custom operation. This can fit in most vehicles as it comes in adjustable design. Moreover, you can easily have a range from 1.025 to 2.025 inches, and it comes with a blow mold case with sturdy construction. It is composed of high-quality steel and features black oxide coating. Furthermore, this is very easy to use and allows you to combine it with grease and socket of 0.75 inches. It is a highly reliable product and ensures there will be efficient operation. It also serves perfectly for professional work and is in a lightweight construction that lets you take it anywhere you want. Additionally, this will let you save time and money as you can handle the replacement of the ball joints without professional help. At number 2, we have a BN Ball Joint Press Tool Set. Allowing you to have better convenience, this one is available in a complete set. The ball joint separator includes a blow-molded carrying case that ensures there will be easy transportation. This also makes sure that there will be a better organization of the tools, and you can have quick access. Additionally, the ball joint separator ensures enhanced durability as it is composed of forged steel. Moreover, it is resistant to corrosion and rust and has wide applications. Moreover, it is in a multifunctional design and ensures there will be a smooth operation. Furthermore, the product includes installation adapters, removal adapters, receiver tubes, and ball joints press with forcing screw. This can remove the parts easily and does not do any damages. And finally at number 1, LYLE Ball Joint Separator. Are you looking for a ball joint separator that comes in a durable design? This delivers outstanding performance, and it is a heavy-duty tool. It is in the skin pack and has an opening of 15/16 of an inch. The product comes in a lightweight design and ensures that it will be easy portability. Additionally, this is also drop forged and has heat treatment for long-lasting use. Therefore, it serves as an ideal tool for professional applications and is in an attractive design. This will let you have easy operation and does not disappoint you when it comes to performance. Furthermore, this is an imported product and has solid construction. It can be ideal for suspension applications as this comes with perfect grooves that offer smooth hold. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, You can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.